Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club, and stocks fell to their lows of the day when news that Chinese trade officials had canceled a visit to U.S. farms in Montana. This came on the heels of deputy trade negotiators meeting for the first time in a few months to iron out some basic low-level trade talks, hoping to gain some momentum going into the rest of the year, but we'll have to see if that's going to happen. The Dow was down by as much as 130 points, and the S&P 500 that we're taking a look at right now was down about 0.5%. Backed off of those lows right now, down about 0.2% on the day, trading right at the $3,000 level, with a chart analysis plus 90, indicating that overall we are in a long-term uptrend for the S&P 500. However, it is the first time in 3 weeks that the three big indexes will all post weekly losses. The weekly loss standing about 0.2% for the S&P 500. Key level to watch next week will be 2,891.85. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position. Dollar index currently trading at 98.53, up about 0.6% on the day, with a chart analysis score plus 75, indicating that overall we are in a long-term uptrend for the US dollar. And our key level to watch will be 97.85. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the US dollar. Dow Jones currently down about 0.6% on the week, suffering the biggest losses of the three major indexes, trading at 27,036.27 currently, with a chart analysis score plus 90, indicating that overall we're still in a long-term uptrend for the Dow Jones. Key level to watch would be 25,978.22. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position. Nasdaq currently trading at 8,137.41 with a chart analysis score plus 75, again indicating that we are in a long-term uptrend for the Nasdaq. Currently losing about 0.4% on the week, and again it's the first weekly loss in 3 weeks for the Nasdaq, much like the other two indexes. Key level to watch would be 7,847.32. Move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the Nasdaq. Crude oil having a crazy week, crazy, finishing up about 6.4% on the week, with a chart analysis score plus 90, indicating that overall we are in a long-term uptrend for crude oil, but it did finish at session lows today at close, trading at 58.33. Key level to watch moving forward will be 58.02. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a short-term sidelines position for crude oil. Gold bouncing back after having 3 straight weeks of losses, gaining 1.5% on the week, with a chart analysis score plus 55. So we're currently in a sidelines position for gold. Currently trading at 1,519.50. Key level to watch should be 1,496.03. I would get a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a short-term short position for gold moving forward. We'll finish out with Bitcoin. Take a look at it. Currently down about 0.8% on the day. However, it is getting a back-to-back weekly losses of 1.75%, trading at 10,159.59 with a chart analysis score negative 60, indicating that overall we're in a sidelines position for Bitcoin, as it's really been kind of trapped right below that $11,000 line for quite a few weeks now. Key level to watch would be 10,949. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for Bitcoin. With that, every success. Have a great trading day. I'll be back next week to give you some key levels to watch.